So can you just brief me about your project and your role and your day-to-day activity?
Yeah, sure. Here my main responsibility is to involve in ETL operations, extraction, transformation and loading data at various levels. Actually in AXA we have so many systems called Cafe, Paris, MBT, Expressions. Likewise we have so many different type of systems inside our project. So when there is a requirement to transfer data from one end to another end, so we will be involving there and we will making it as possible. Majorly extracting data from one database and transforming it into the expected format as per the business requirement and then loading it into the target location. So these are the main tasks that I am doing here on daily basis. And also involve starting from gathering the requirements from business. Initially business people they will provide the BR document, business requirement document. Based on the business requirement document, I will prepare a specification document along with the technical code. So based on the specification document, we will complete the coding and then we do unit testing. Once the unit testing is completed, it will go to integration testing to different teams. And then everything is completed, QAT, user acceptance testing, everything is done, then it will go to production. Even though after going to production, we will support it. That means if there is any issues or any defects, we will provide the root cause to fix those issues.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
But I got about your role and everything, but what is about your project? I mean, what your project exactly does? I mean, like you said, you are doing extract, transform, and load. So is it some data warehousing project or what is it?
Yes, it's a data warehousing project.
Okay, can you just explain me about your project?
About my project?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, in AXA is a client and my current project is mutual fund project. So in mutual fund project, whenever they are going to launch a new product into the market, they will release a list of interfaces according to the business requirements. So whenever the business is going to release a list of interfaces, here the interface we are calling is like, when there is a feed from one system to another system, that can be called as a one interface. So, whenever they are going to launch a new product, according to that, they will release a list of interfaces. So once they release the list of interfaces, I will be working on those interfaces. That means they will provide the requirement like the data needs to be transferred from one system to another system. This is how it should be done. Likewise, they will provide the requirement. So we do some analysis on it, and then we will get it confirmed by business people, and then we will start with the coding. So yeah, this is what about my project. Would you like to know anything more about this?
No, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, do you know how to write the procedure?
Yes.
Okay, so can you just brief me about the procedure? What are the components the procedure will have? Like, what are the blocks you will write into the procedure?
Okay, sure. Actually, procedure is a subprogram that has a name, and once the procedure is compiled, that will be stored permanently into the database. In procedure, we have three parts. That is declaration part, definition part. That is anonymous block. In procedure, create procedure name. Inside that, you will have declaration and then begin and end. So here, declaration and exception section is not mandatory. That means these two are optional, but the begin section is mandatory.
Okay.
This is what your question. Actually, your voice is not so audible. It was very clear when you called me, but now it's a bit slow.
Okay, fine. So, let's say you said like begin and end. So where you will write the exception code? And let's say if I have some exception, where you will handle that?
In exception handling section, we will be defining all the exceptions.
Okay.
Yeah, actually there are two types of exceptions, predefined exception and user-defined exception. So in declaration part, we need to declare whatever exception that we are going to use in exception handling section. So once the exception is, yes please.
Okay, what are the system exception available in the Oracle?
Yes.
Like divided by zero, etc.
Yes.
What are the exceptions you know?
We have so many predefined exceptions in Oracle database like no value found, no data found, table space error, program error. Like us, we have so many available in our Oracle database.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, while writing the procedure, we mentioned the parameters into the procedure, right?
Yes, parameter.
In parameter, out parameter.
Yes, yes.
And we have something called as in-out parameter as well.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so what is that in-out parameter?
Yeah, actually, in parameter is used to get the value from calling environment to procedure. Out parameter is used to return the value from procedure to calling environment. So when you talk about in-out parameter, the both the things can be done by using in-out parameter. We can get the value from calling environment as well as we can return the value from procedure to calling environment.
Okay, fine. So, let's say I have a one query. Okay.
Okay.
I have a one table, let's say table A,
Okay.
which is having column, let's say column 1.
Okay.
Okay. Then I have another table, something called as table B.
Okay.
And in table B, I have a column, let's say column 2.
Okay.
So column 2 is a primary key, and in table A, column 1 is a primary key. So both the table have a primary key.
Okay.
Okay. So from table A, that is column 1 is a primary key, which is also having the foreign key in table B, that is column 2.
Okay.
Okay. And then again in column table B, I have a dependency on column A, that is foreign key will be my column 1 from table A. So it's like cyclic dependency.
Okay.
That is my table A is depend on table B and table B is depend on table A.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to insert one record into that table. So how will you insert that?
Which table you wanted to
It
insert?
is possible to insert a table A.
You wanted to insert the record in table A.
Yeah.
I'm just going to repeat whatever you have explained me. We have two tables, table A and table B. In table A, we have column called number 1, and in table in table B, we have another column like column 2. So both are primary keys in both the tables. And table B column is depending upon table A. That means it is a foreign key, and the column that we have in table A is a primary key. Now you just want to insert the record in table A, column number 1. Is it?
Right, exactly, yeah.
Okay. We can directly insert the row into the table A, column 1. Insert into table A values directly you can do it.
But as I said, I have a foreign key, so it will give me the error, right?
Foreign key, actually here, wherever the foreign key is created, that is called as dependent table. Wherever the foreign key is referencing, that can be called as base table or reference table. That means here, table A is base table, that is parent table, or it can also be called as reference table. Here table B can call as child table or dependent table.
That's what I'm saying. Table A is depend on table B, and table B is again depend on table A. That is column 1 and column 2 is depend on each other. So how will you insert that?
Actually, I did not get your question. Okay, both are depending on each other. So how can you insert row into the particular table? That is what the question, right?
Yeah.
We can directly insert into table A, right? Why can't we directly insert? I think we can directly insert into table A.
Okay. Do you know what is constraints in Oracle?
Sorry? Constraints. Yeah, primary key, foreign key, not null, check. These are the constraints that are available in Oracle.
Okay, then what is foreign key constraint?
Foreign key, the attributes are combination of attributes that are uniquely arranged with a row or record in a relation whose values are matches with the primary key values in other relation is called as foreign key.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I have another scenario. Let's say I have one table.
Okay.
Okay. In that table, I have some duplicate records.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to delete all duplicates and preserve the unique record.
Okay.
So how will you delete the duplicate record?
By using row ID, we can delete all the duplicate values, duplicate records in a table.
Okay, can you give me the query for that? You
Uh,
can take your time, write down the query and tell me the exact query.
okay. Select star from employee. So I am taking employee table as example. Okay. So select star from employee where row ID not in. Again subquery. In subquery I will be writing a query like select star from employee. No, sorry. Select minimum of row ID from employee group by column name.
Row ID. Okay. Okay. Group by
Group by column name.
column name. Okay.
So select star from employee where row ID not in subquery select max of row ID from employee group by column name. That's it. Closing the subquery.
I want to delete. Where is the delete here?
Sorry?
I want to delete duplicate record.
Okay, sorry. Whatever I told that is for selecting duplicate records. Yes. So delete from employee where row ID not in subquery select max of row ID where select max of row ID group by column. That's it.
Okay, fine. Fine. So we know
Sorry?
Unix commands.
Unix commands.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I know basics of Unix commands. Here we use putty for yeah.
Okay, fine. That's great. So let's say I have one file. Let's say example.txt.
You don't mean can you please give
Hello.
me
Hello.
feeling difficult? Yeah, I'm feeling difficult to hear your voice. I don't know if
Okay,
signal problem or something. Probably I will change
what
my
about
place.
now?
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. So I'm saying I have one file in Unix. Let's say example.txt.
Okay.
Okay. Just created. So I want to assign permission to it.
Okay.
What I want to assign is like only I can read, write and execute. For others, it should be read only. I think other people cannot execute or modify my file.
Oh my
So
god.
I will give this permission in Unix.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Did you get my question?
Your voice is breaking.
Just give me a second. Hello?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay. I'm saying I have one file in Unix. Let's say example.txt.
Okay.
Okay. I have just created that file and I want to assign permission to that file
Okay.
so that only I can read, write or execute that file.
Okay.
And for other people, it should be only read only.
Okay.
So other people should not modify or execute my file.
Okay. Here we can use
I
a
will
command,
assign this person.
yeah, ch mode. By using ch mode, ch mode 777. We can use ch mode 777 followed by file name.
Okay. So what is 777?
777, when you give 777, it will take both read, write and execute operations.
But if I'm not wrong, if you write like ch mode, then 777 and file name, it will provide read, write, execute permission to all people.
Yes.
Okay. Did you got my question what I said?
You asked me how to, actually I did not get your question. Sorry.
Okay. So what I'm saying, only I can read, write and execute my file, but for
Okay.
other people, it should be read only.
Okay. That time we can give like ch mode 4, 6, 7. Okay. I know only how to provide access like read, write and execute. That can be done by using this ch mode. Ch mode followed by whatever the permission that we wanted to give, we can give there. If you wanted to give only write, that time 4. If you wanted to give all read, write and execute, that time we have to give 7 followed by file name. Yeah.
Fine. Let's say I'm in the current directory and I want to change the directory in Unix. So which command you will use?
Yeah, cd.
Okay, fine. Thanks, Rahul. I need some information from you.
Hello?
Okay, yeah. Okay,
Hello?
I'm done with the technical part. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Yes, please. I don't know
I'm
why
done with
your
the
voice is
technical.
breaking. Something wrong with me or something wrong from your side. I don't understand. I have full
Okay.
signal. Yeah. Yes, please
Okay, no
continue.
problem.
Yeah.
So I'm done with the technical part. So
Okay.
I need some information from you. What is your notice period?
Oh my God.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. It's audible now.
Yeah.
So you are
Okay,
done
I'm
with the
saying,
technical. Yeah, you are done with the technical round. Okay. What you said after that?
yeah, I need some information from you.
You need hello.
Yeah, some information from you. What is your notice period?
Okay, notice period. I can join in 25 days.
25. So you are
Hello.
currently employed with, yeah,
Yeah, I'm currently
you
with
want to
Tata
join
Consultancy
again?
Services.
Okay, but they have, I think, 3 months. So how you will join in 25
Hello.
days? Yeah.
It would be
Can I
great
call
if
you
you
out?
cut the call and call me again because it's breaking like anything.